Time now to get you the Charbuster ideas. Kunal, you go first.
So Anisha, it's on Aurobindo Pharma and how the stock has changed its trend as well as texture over the last 1.5 odd year. This is the stock which started from 2021 going into a major downtrend when the stock was almost at 1,000 plus levels. Look at the consecutive patterns of lower highs for Auro Pharma, and from there the stock has changed its pattern, and from a lower high pattern the stock is now forming a higher low where you've seen the stock going into an uptrend from 400 levels to now 700 plus. Now the interesting bit for Aurobindo Pharma is two. One is that the stock has broken past about this red line, which is the 200 DMA for Aurobindo Pharma, and the second, the most important part, is this cluster of resistance. So as you can see that this was a major resistance zone for Aurobindo Pharma in 2021-22, where the stock took a lot of time, tried to break past, retest those levels, but failed to do that. So we are now coming back towards a zone where the stock is coming back towards a retest of the previous resistance line just around the 700 mark. So I believe that if this time the breakout is successful, we could be looking at a stock going into a major recovery as well as a major rally going forward. So right now it's into a very strong resistance zone. Hopefully the stock consolidates and then breaks out of the 700 mark. We could be looking at a very strong upside for Aurobindo Pharma.
Okay, so that's about Aurobindo Pharma, a strong uptrend likely. Naresh, which is the stock you are spotting?
So that's a chart for NTPC. Now, if you look at the chart, the stock gave a breakout about 180.82, a triangle formation, consolidated for the last 6 months. Did not correct much. The base kept on shifting from 160 to 165, then 175 is the new base. And after the breakout, the stock has been holding on well over the last 2 weeks and making a flag formation which has a breakout about 189 levels. So it's a preemptive buy here. Once it crosses 189, it would make a quick move to 205 to 230 in the short term. So buy here with a very small stop loss at 182.
Okay, let's find out those individual stock recommendations going as well. And Kunal, what's on your radar today?
So Aurobindo Corp is the first stock which I would recommend to buy. Targets of 2,900, stop loss at 27.75. And the second would be a buy on Tata Com. The stock seems to coming back towards a key retracement support at 1545.50 mark. So would suggest a buy with a target of 1,600, stop loss at 1522.
Okay, let's find out what Naresh is handpicking for the day. Naresh?
So first is a buy on HCL Tech, stock making a new 52-week high today, a stop loss at 1150 and a target price of 1250. Second is a buy on Bharti Airtel, again showing latest strength very close to a 52-week high and all-time high, stop loss at 840 and a target price of 900.